oil is right black and doesn't look very there is some silvery bits as well. Okay, this is about day 3 or 4, I'm not sure, of putting the engine, well, taking the old engine out and sorting out the new one, putting it all in. It's taking way more than I expected, but dual fuel pump kit is on. Thank you, Patryk. He sorted me out. Very nice, very decent fit. Fits great. Get all the bits you need. Then we have oil cooler. That is what's the name, plate. And then I made, this is a thermostat, all made from solid pipes. I have a sensor there for temperature. Down there is pressure sensor. The lines will be going on there, and then I have a cooler to fit on the front of the car, which will be around that area. What else? Cooling port on the back. I got just pipe temporary. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. Sensor need to go in there, but I messed up the sensor. I went to tighten it and it broke off, so I need to get another one. And then there'll be another pump control there. What else we got? Gearbox is in. These are X5 lines with these fittings on there. I have an oil cooler somewhere. I can't. Oh, there it is. It's on the shelf. Let me get it quick. There it is. That's what I will be fitting. This is at least double the size of the original one. Those lines should go straight on there. These I will need to mess around and extend from the original one. I think that's how it sits in the car. So they should sit straight on there, I'm hoping. If not, I'll need to get some pipes made. I should fit in there. You'll see, because I don't have there's all the space in there. My intercooler is just on the front. I don't have nothing else, so should fit like that, hopefully, something like that. Yeah, got lots more work to do. I messed around with the aircon because the turbo hit there. There was a bracket goes on there like that to support the twin turbos, but that's not in use anymore, so I had to cut all that off, mess around with that. I had to move the turbo actuator, space it out, so it literally clears by like a millimeter, but it should be good enough, so hopefully. It's a lot of work. It took me, so far it took me just to do this about 15 hours at least, so, and I think I got another possibly 10 to just get this in, at least to get it all done and sorted, so I better crack on, see how we get on. This is the final product. I'd say that's quite good. Just need a bit more cleaning really, but that is nice and smooth. No lumps, no bumps. Should be better. I also made sort of ports in there as manifold goes, so these runners a bit more there, so it ankles the air sort of in the shape of the manifold a little bit to sort of help it flow better. So we'll see how it performs, but it looks quite good to me. It's not outsides are not small anymore as they used to be, so they'll match the manifold quite nicely. I think that's how manifold looks like. So yeah, that needs all cleaning up, so let's crack on. Very tight fit. This is, by the way, turbo system stage 3 turbo. Little paper on the other side. Not spinning very well. But it's very tight fit. In there is like literally almost nothing. Here is almost suction. Had to modify the brackets in there, but it's still okay. It's got plenty of room. Don't move about. Yeah, So I'm not sure about this part there. I have to clean it up a bit, so because when the feed pipe goes on there, it's still a bit tight. Okay, crack on. I think it's a bit overfilling. Back up and running. I cut the video, second revision, so see what happens. Sounds better now. It's running nicely, but there were some error codes, so we'll see, he'll sort it. Very anxious to get it driving. Been a long time. We got the pedal shifters. Yeah, boy. Works even in drive.